Alright, today I'm cleaning my Apple Watch because it is nasty. You can see one of the end of the bands where all the dirt gets up in there, all the dirt around it, on the back side, everything. And here's my little rugged armor for it. It's not bad, it was cheap. I think it was like $5-6. Can't remember exactly. But I clean it in several different ways. Each way is a little bit different each time. But sometimes I just use like a Windex random cleaner because it does actually multi-surfaces. Now, I will go back and clean it with some kind of wax. The reason I do that is so if I get anything else on it, it pretty much just wipes right off in the future. And as long as you don't soak it, it does pretty good. It's water resistant, not waterproof. So you can wear it in the rain and this and that, as long as you're not taking a shower with it. Anything else funny. It's hard to get down in these grooves. See, it gets really dirty. You can see, but this watch gets used and abused, I can promise you. I know several people who went through, I don't know how many Fitbits, just keep replacing them because they keep destroying them every single time. For knock on wood, I've been really lucky with this Apple Watch. I've definitely put it through its paces. You can always get new bands, but I don't want to pay 50 more bucks for a band I'm just going to destroy again. So try to preserve these for as long as I can. Getting down these little holes is the hardest way to clean it. Hardest part to clean. But we'll get it done. Okay, so everything's basically clean now. Now, take my wax. Let's wax everything. That soaked just for a little bit. Again, it's just my quick wash. About once a month. I normally detail it pretty good. Q-tip, everything. Use a little bit of Dawn soap. Seems to do really well. Really mild cleaner. I normally soak the bands and the protective cover. It's just my quick 5-minute clean. And I almost always blow it off with air when I'm done, but don't have any compressed air this time, so. Because if you can see down here in these little speakers, it's just packed full of dirt, mud, debris. Alright. And there you have it. It's done. Let's put it back together. Short band goes on top. Longer band goes on bottom. There you have it. Clean eye watch.